Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with Sportline. With so many Tesla Model Ys out there around the world, what are you doing to go ahead and separate your Model Y from all the other ones that are out there? Tesla has produced so many of the Model Y. It's an amazing car, arguably the finest car in the industry, definitely in the EV space. And you know, while Tesla only makes a few colors, we see so many of them that, again, what makes yours different than everybody else's? Do you want to blend in like the rest of the pearl white ones out there? Or do you want to go ahead and make some personalization, some exterior and some interior changes? Well, you know what? That's exactly what this customer wanted and why they came to Sportline. First things first, they wanted to change the wheels. And you know what? That's probably the #1 option upgrade that customers want to go ahead and do to differentiate themselves from every other Model Y that's out there, and also to go ahead and just, you know, give a little bit of personalization to it. This customer chose our brand new 20-inch TSA-5 minimalistic, very sporty wheels finished in gloss black, which quite frankly looks great on any color Model Y. We use the original Tesla 20-inch tires. These wheels are a perfect fit. They accept the Tesla TPMS sensors. No issues, no concerns. So now this Model Y definitely does look different than all the other Model Ys out there, especially since it's got our new wheels. But look what he did to the interior. Come on inside and take a look at this. Let me roll down the window and let me present to you a whole new front and rear seat kit, right? This is our seat upholstery program. And as you can see, this customer went with our peanut butter color. I think it's really cool. I mean, it's such a nice shade of brown with a little bit of orange to it, but more on that tan saddle look. It actually really looks like peanut butter. And we reupholstered the front and rear seats using our insignia pattern. What that means is, you see these 3 lines right here? That's our insignia. We were inspired by the Tesla font and the way Tesla does the letter E. So we incorporated these 3 horizontal lines to bring a little bit of that Tesla flavor to our interior kit. This customer also chose to have the inserts of the seat. So that's the middle area where your back is and the center area where you actually sit to be perforated. And the reason why he wanted that is, first of all, it just breathes a lot better. And I actually think it looks a little bit cooler, right? There's a texture difference between the outer bolsters and then the perforated inserts. Overall, I think it looks great. And the best part is it does tie in very nicely with the wood dash decor that came standard with this interior. So when you order a Tesla Model Y and it comes with a black interior, your dash trim is going to be this open pore wood. This complements the peanut butter very nicely. Let me know what you think, Tesla fans. I'd love to hear some comments below. Do you want to go ahead and change the interior of your Model Y? And if so, what color would it be? Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.